Morning dew clings to the slender stalks, tiny beads of light shimmering along their length. Chives stand tall and unshaken, their hollow blades reaching skyward, swaying ever so slightly in the soft breeze. They are among the first to return in spring, emerging from the cold earth with a quiet certainty, a sign that life beneath the soil never truly stops. I run my fingers through the dense green patch, their scent rising immediately, sharp, fresh, unmistakable. Unlike their bolder cousins, garlic and onion, chives do not overpower. They whisper rather than shout, offering their strength in subtlety, their fire in delicate strands. For centuries, chives have been cherished not only for their flavor, but for their energy, resilience, and quiet magic. The Romans believed they strengthened the body, feeding them to soldiers before battle. In old European folklore, they were planted near doorways to ward off evil, woven into protective charms, and believed to carry the fiery spirit of the sun. Yet, despite their hidden strength, chives have never sought attention. They do not grow in towering stalks like leeks, nor do they demand space like broad-leafed herbs. Instead, they grow together, a dense gathering of slender green, thriving in community rather than in solitude. I gather a handful, their thin blades soft yet sturdy in my grasp. Unlike other herbs that must be carefully plucked leaf by leaf, chives invite generosity. A clean cut at the base, and they will return again, stronger, fuller, a lesson in renewal, in trusting that what is given will always grow back. Their vibrant purple blossoms begin to form as spring deepens, tiny bursts of colour among the green, edible and delicate, yet carrying the same quiet fire as the stalks below. There is no waste in a chive patch. Everything is used, everything is given. Back in the kitchen, I scatter the thin ribbons over warm buttered potatoes, watching as the heat coaxes out their gentle bite. Their flavour is never heavy, but it lingers, a reminder that even the smallest presence can change everything. Mixed into soft cheese, folded into fresh eggs, sprinkled over soups. They do not take over, but they bring life. They sharpen, they brighten. They remind us that sometimes all that is needed is a small touch to make something whole. As I tie the last bundle to dry, their scent still clinging to my fingertips, I think about how chives never hesitate to return, never resist being cut back, never falter in their purpose. They grow, they give, they regrow, standing quietly in the garden, steady and unwavering. Chives do not demand space. They do not take more than they need. They simply grow, knowing that strength is found in resilience, in community, in the willingness to return, and in their own way they whisper back, "Give freely, stand tall, you will always grow again, Yum."